With 30 years of proven performance and over 1,500 installations worldwide, the Thermo Scientific Prima range of process mass spectrometers is a trusted name in gas analysis across industries. Since its introduction, the Prima series has supported critical applications in industries such as biotechnology, petrochemicals, biofuels, food, and steel production. Today, these powerful analyzers are assisting in the drive to net zero, with key applications in clean energy. This versatility has made Prima the go-to solution for diverse, high-precision gas analysis needs. With precise, reliable gas analysis, Prima helps industries optimize production, ensure product quality, and protect the environment. The Prima PRO and Prima BT models are engineered to support cutting-edge applications in both established and emerging markets. Launched in 2025, the Prima PRO 700 and PRO 710 introduced an enhanced interface and upgraded control and monitoring systems with the same proven reliability and high-performance mass spec technology, maintaining the high standards expected of the Prima series. Whether monitoring fermentation in cell cultures, chemical reactions, or providing vigilance against polluting gas emissions, Prima's adaptability and accuracy are unmatched. Each installation reinforces its reputation for delivering high-value insights, reducing downtime, enhancing productivity, and protecting people and the environment. Today, Prima is more than just a product. It's a legacy of trusted performance and innovation. As new industries adopt its proven capabilities, Prima continues to shape the future of process analysis. Discover how Prima can elevate your processes. Contact us today.